Friends, welcome to the visual card program, and today we are going to start one of the important topic of aptitude, that is data interpretation. As we know that the questions of data interpretation comes in our competitive exams of 5 marks. Okay, so it can 5 marks. If one data interpretation question is there, it is 5 marks. If 3 questions come, 15 marks. 2 questions come, 10 marks. So as you can judge that it is an important topic. So many students leave this part of data interpretation question, and they leave the questions and they just lose their 5 marks. Okay, so we as a student, we face difficulty in solving data interpretation question because we don't know how to approach the data interpretation question. We think that we will waste a lot of time in solving data interpretation question and we will not solve the other question. So friends, I can tell you you can solve all the 5 questions of data interpretation question in less than 2 minutes. Okay, so if I will tell you a very good method of solving data interpretation question and the step-by-step approach how to attempt a data interpretation question. So the first thing is that you should first see the diagram and understand the points which the diagram is telling. Okay, so here there is a question of bar graph. So in bar graph, first the point which is given here is number of students appeared for competitive exam in different institute in different year. Okay, so these are the 2 institutes, Institute A, Institute B. So the blank one is Institute A, the blank one is Institute, the shaded one is Institute B. And these are the different years in which these institutes, the students are appearing. Okay, and these are the number of students in 1000, number of students in 1000. So 1000, 2000, 3000 like this. So this is the basic understanding of the diagram. Now let's just see the question. Okay, what is the ratio of the student in the Institute B in 2002 to the Institute A in 2006? Okay, so how to approach this question? What is asked? Ratio. So if the ratio question is asked in data interpretation, is the easiest one. Okay, so Institute B in 2002. So Institute B in 2002. So in Institute B in 2002 upon Institute A in 2006. So 2006 Institute A. So you have to write in this way. So now you can, after writing this thing, now go through the diagram. So 2002B. So 2002B, that is 3.5. And 2006A. 2006A, that is 4. 4. Okay, so 3.5 upon 4. Or we can write 35 upon 40 by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 10. So 35 upon 40, that is 5 into 7, 5 into 8. That is 7 upon 8. Or the ratio is how much? 7 is to 8. So in this way, we can solve this type of questions, ratio questions. So let's move on to our next question. So let's move to our next question. That is, what is the average of number of students in Institute B? So in Institute B, we have to find the average. Okay. So in 2002, the number of students in Institute B is 3.5. In 2003, the number of students is 4. In 2004 is 4. Then 5.5. Then 5. So we will find the average in the shortest way. We will not add all the numbers and divide by 5. Okay. So we will take a middle number. Okay. Approximately we will take a middle number. So 3.5, 4, 4, 5.5 and 5. So let's take 4. Okay. Take a number which is middle in that, not exactly in middle. Take a number in between the smallest and highest number. Smallest number is 3.5, highest number is 5. So take number 4. Okay. So now you can see that 3.5 is 0.5 less than. So we will take minus 0.5. Okay. Because it is 0.5 less than 4. It is equal to 4. So we will take it 0. It is equals to 4. We will take it as 0. So 5.5 is 1.5 greater than 4. So we will take plus 1.5. And 5 is 1 greater than 4. So we will take 1. So our answer will be, see, 1.5 minus 0.5 is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So after calculating this, we will get 2. So 2, this 2 we have to divide, then this 2 we have to divide by 5. So 2 divided by 5 is how much? 0.4. And because it is positive, so we will add to this, to 4 plus 0.4, that is 4.4. So this is the average. So this is the shortest way of calculating average. So if you are thinking that it is taking time, but if you practice this concept of average, you can, because if the numbers are large, you can find this method very easy. Okay, so 4.4 is the average, but it is in 1000, so our average will be 4.4 into 1000, that is 4400. So this is our answer. Let's move to our next question. So let's see our next question, that is, in which year number of students are second largest when both the institute are taken together. Okay, so in which year the number of students are second largest. Okay, so instead of adding the number of students in all the year, okay, so you have to do the smart calculation. We have to observe the graph. Okay, so in the graph you can see that this one is the highest one. Okay, you can observe that. So in 2005 it is the largest one. Number of students are largest when combining both the institute. That is 6 plus 5.5, that is 11.5. So now the second largest is, see, this can be the second largest or this can be the second largest. So 5 plus 4 is 9 and 4 plus 5 is also 9. So this both are second largest and these are the smallest. Okay, smaller than that. So here the answer are both 2004 and 2006. So if 1 year is given in the option, you have to mark it as if either 2004 is given or either 2006 is given, then none of this will be the answer. If both are given, then it is we have to mark this as the correct answer. So both should be given. If only one is given, none of this should be marked. Okay, in this way you have to do the smart calculation. So let's move on to our next question. So let's see one question, that is, what is the total number of students appear from Institute A in all the years? Okay, we have to find the total number of students in Institute A in all the years. So in 2002, how much it is there? 2. In 2003 it is 3.5. In 2004 is 5. In 2005 is 6. And then 4. Okay, so this we have to add. So 2 plus 3. Okay, so don't add a decimal part first. Okay, you can add also in the small calculation, but in the big calculation you don't first add the numerical part. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 6 16, 16 plus 4 20. So 20 and then add 0.5, that is 20.5. So the answer is 20.5, but the number of students are in 1000, so multiplied by 1000. So our answer will be how much? 205, that is 20,500. Okay, so in this way we have to calculate this question. So let's see the next question, that is, number of students in 2004 from Institute A is what percentage of number of students from Institute B in the same year? Okay, so 2004 from Institute A is what percent of number of students from Institute B in the same year? In the same year means 2004, and B is what percent? It means 2004 by 2004B into 100. Okay, so this we have to find out. So 2004 A is how much? That is 5. And 2004 B is how much? 4. So 5 by 4 into 100. Okay, so we know that from the fraction concept. Okay, we have learned in fast trick maths the fraction concept. So 1 by 4th is how much percent? 1 by 4th is how much percent? 25%. So 1 by 4 into 5, that is 25% into 5, that is 125%. So by use of fractions also we can calculate that. So because 1 by 4 of 100 is 25, so 25 into 5, that is 125%. Or another way of calculating is, see, 5 by 4 into 100. You can do it by this, by calculation also. 4 into 25 and 25 into 5 is 125. Okay, so in this way also you can do, but it's better to go with the fraction concept, because it is not a possibility that always this term will be cancelled. So in this way you can solve the questions of bar graph in your competitive exams. So the main thing is that you should approach the question of bar graph in a systematic manner. Okay, so let's now move to the next topic of data interpretation. So friends, subscribe our YouTube channel to get the latest update of our videos and upcoming government jobs, and to get the complete video series of aptitude, reasoning, English, computer awareness and banking awareness. Visit our website visualcard.com. So thank you for watching this video.